Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am very excited because I did receive my Skylar scent club for the month of October. So here's what I'm looking at. So in here we have the scent Cocoa Cabin, which is one I added on. And then this month's scent is called Agave Sunrise. But I'm going to start with Cocoa Cabin since that is not this month's scent. Inside the box it says, cherish the stillness. This scent is described as cozy, warm, and spiced. And it has notes of cocoa, almond blossom, and chestnut. It says that it layers well with vanilla sky and willow woods. I'm hoping that this smells really cozy, smells really good. I just came off of like a sickness, so I don't know how well my nose is functioning. Yeah, that smells good. We're gonna pop it on here. I haven't put it on, so this is my first time. This is my first try on of this scent. It smells good. I like it already. So the top notes are pink pepper, pimento, and chestnut. And I'm really getting that pepper as it's drying down on my skin. I'm excited to get these middle notes. I'm starting to get those middle notes. The middle notes are almond blossom, white cocoa, and amber. And I really like those notes together. They smell really good. And the base notes are birch, sugar, vanilla infusion, and musk. And I'm starting to get the all of them together. This just smells really cozy. I can totally see why it's called Cocoa Cabin. It's the perfect name for this. I just want to snuggle when I smell this. I just want to wrap myself up and just snuggle. It smells so good. I love this scent. I know it's gonna be a favorite for me, and I can see it pairing very well with Vanilla Sky. I'm actually quite excited to pair these two together. I'm gonna read the description now. Find your favorite cozy spot as the temperature cools and the air becomes brisk. White cocoa notes create a delicious warmth in this fragrance that you will want to wrap yourself in all season long, lightly balanced with soft almond blossom and added golden warmth notes of amber. It smells warm and cozy, and I just want to wrap myself up in it. I really like this scent. Let's move on into this month's scent. Well, not this month, last month's scent. This is Agave Sunrise. It has notes of agave, spiced caramel, and smoked oak wood. The inside of the box says, pursue new beginnings. It says that it layers well with pink canyon and fall cashmere. Very sweet right off the bat. I'm excited for the notes on this. I feel like it's going to be very interesting. So the top notes are lime zest, agave, and red berries. The middle notes are vanilla orchid, coconut water, heliotrope, and the base notes are spiced caramel, smoked oak wood, and amber. Ooh, right now it's smelling a little funky. I think that's that heliotrope mixing with all those other notes in there. I'm getting a lot of the oak wood too. I'm getting very woody, very smoky. I'm getting a light sweetness in the beginning, just a light sweetness. The sweetness kind of died down as soon as I put that on my skin. That was very weird, but I'm kind of waiting it out. I don't like smoky tastes. I don't like the way smokiness tastes, but I like the way smokiness smells. So I kind of like the way that this smells. It has that smoky note, and then I smell some sweetness, and then I smell the woodiness. It smells very earthy without being too earthy, because sometimes too earthy and I'm gone. I need a little bit of something else in there to help those notes. This feels very warm. I feel like it's perfect for October, even though we're not in October anymore, I know. But it's giving kind of sweet but kind of mysterious at the same time, and I really like that. It's very unique. It's something I've never smelled before, really. One of the more unique scents that I've gotten from Skylar for sure. This smoky yet sweet and fresh scent embodies Mexico's alluring landscape of agave fields. Agave brings sugary and sweetness to the scent, while the smoked oak wood reveals a robust, smoldering quality, and amber creates extra warmth. It's really nice. I really like this one, and I'm excited to continue wearing it. I don't have any of the other ones to layer with, but I feel like it'll be a good layering piece. So I'm excited. I really like this month. I feel like I got two really nice scents and I'm excited to wear them both. So that's good. I'm really happy. I always really like this subscription. You guys know. I always will have a link to it in my description for you. Just in case you're interested. It is a you get 10, I get 10. But don't feel obligated to use my link. It's not necessary. But yeah, I'm so excited. I love this one. I'm excited to have these scents. I'm excited to wear these scents. Skylar is of course cruelty free and hypoallergenic. It's why I love them. They come out with really good stuff. I want to try their like body mists, but I'm scared. What if they don't last long? They're kind of expensive, you know? I'm hungry, okay? I'm gonna go eat dinner. It's late. I need to go get dinner. If you're wondering what's on my face, it is the Glamlite Friday the 13th collection. You guys should see that first before this. Go watch that if you haven't seen it already. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. And I will see you in my next video. Bye! Oh my god, something's in my eye. Bingo. And then add in golden warped notes. I don't love smoky scents. I don't love like, I'm sorry, I don't like smoky taste. I always will have a link to it in my description for you, just in case you're interested. It is a you get love them, and they come out with really good stuff. I want to try, so go watch that if you haven't seen this. Go watch that if you haven't seen it already. And top. I wanna go. I can't stop. I'm so excited I get to throw these away now. I have like so many things I need to film with.